Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be discussing ICT terms. As all we know that the exam dates are announced from 6th October. Our exams are starting, so it's high time that we should start preparing with all our efforts. So the basic ICT terms we will see now. Address book. Usually it is supplied as part of your email software. An address book in this sense is used to keep a record of all the email addresses of people from whom you may wish to contact by email. Adware is a software that may have been installed on your computer by a remote computer, that is through the web. It is a software. Adware is a software that may have been installed on your computer by a remote computer. Ajax, combination of asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is a web programming tool which makes it possible to create interactive web applications. Ajax is a programming tool that is used extensively in what are known as Web 2.0 application. Apache. It is the most popular web server software on the World Wide Web. Apache mainly runs on Unix system. Applet. It is a small program written in the Java programming language and embedded in a web page. When you use your browser to access a web page, an applet may run inside the web page as it were to perform an interactive animation and make a calculation to carry out another simple task. Archive. Archive मतलब we all know archive means हम छुपा देते हैं. It is used to describe the documents or files that are not immediately needed but won't be completely discarded. An archive may be stored in an external hard disk such as CD-ROM, DVD or other storage devices. Archie. It allows a user to search files in FTP sites. It regularly monitors hundreds of FTP sites and updates a database on software documents and data files available for downloading by clicking on a list of the Archie server. It will take them to another computer system where relevant files are stored. The Archie server may allow users to continue their searches for files until they locate what they actually need. Attachment का मतलब तो आपको पता ही है. ईमेल अगर आपने कभी सेंड किया है तो अटैचमेंट तो आपने देखा ही है. Attachment, it is a term used in connection with an email. An attachment can be a file of almost any kind, such as a document file, an image file, a sound file or a video clip that you can add that is attached to an email. Audio conferencing, ये तो पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Authoring package, authoring program, authoring tool. Bandwidth, it is the amount of data that can be sent from bandwidth का मतलब it is the amount of data that can be sent from one computer to another through a particular connection in a certain amount of time. For example, it can be connected through a computer to the internet and vice versa. The more the bandwidth, see this point, the more the bandwidth, the faster the access to information. Bandwidth is usually measured in kbps or mbps. Baud. It is a unit of measurement at which data can be transferred, for example, over a telephone line through a modem or from a computer to an external device, such as a printer. Baud is rarely used nowadays as transfer rates are normally expressed in kbps or mbps. Blog तो हम सबको पता है, हम ब्लॉगिंग करते हैं. ब्लॉग, a blog short form for web blog. is an online diary in which an individual records and publishes his or her thoughts on one or more subjects. A blog can contain news items, short essays, annotated links, documents, graphics, and multimedia. These posts are usually in reverse chronological order and often take the form of a journal or diary. Blogger refers to someone who blogs, that is, who regularly writes blogs. Conferencing. Computer conferencing is a development of email designed to support many-to-many communication whereby computer users in different locations can take part in virtual conference. Cookie तो आपको पता है, it is a piece of information that pops up, It is a piece of information stored in a user's computer by a web browser when the user visits a website for the first time. अगर आप कभी एक वेबसाइट को फर्स्ट टाइम के लिए विजिट करते हैं तो आपको कुकी एक्सेप्ट करनी पड़ती है. Websites use cookies to recognize users who have previously visited them. The next time the user visits that site, the information in the cookie is sent back to the site so that the site can tailor what it presents to the user, for example, taste in music or shopping habits. Course management system. It is a type of virtual learning environment, VLE, for example, Moodle. Crawler. Crawler is a program that searches the web for new links, new content, and changes in order to keep the search engine results up to date. It is a program that searches the web for new links, new content, and changes. A crawler may also be called a bot, short form for robot or spider. Crawlers within the search engines perform a useful indexing function, but there are also crawlers or bots that have more sinister motives, such as gathering addresses to be targeted by spammers. Executable. This describes a program which has been converted into binary machine code. If you double-click an executable program name in Windows Explorer, then it will immediately execute itself, that is, run. Executables usually have the extension .exe or .com. Extension. In computer jargon, an extension is an optional addition. Usually it consists of a dot plus 3 or more 4 letters. मतलब डॉट के बाद 3 लेटर्स या 4 लेटर्स ऐसे होते हैं एक्सटेंशन. .doc इज़ ए वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल. .exe मतलब इज़ ए कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम. .jpg और .jpeg इज़ ए पिक्चर फाइल. ओके. .htm और .html इज़ ए वेब पेज फाइल. Finger. This command allows the display of the contents of the files that are associated with particular user identifier at a particular interest site. Gophers. It is a computer client tool that enables the user to locate the information stored on the Internet Gopher server through a series of hierarchical menus. Most files and digital information that are accessible through FTP, file transfer protocol, are also available through Gopher. तो ये आप देख लीजिएगा. फिर है होस्ट, हाइपरमीडिया, हाइपरटेक्स्ट, इंटरैक्टिव वाइटबोर्ड, आईपॉड, इंटरनेट रिले चैट, जावा, JPEG, मैशअप, माइक्रोब्लॉगिंग, Moodle, notebook, open source. Optical character recognition, personal digital assistant, portable network graphics, pixel, podcast pop-up, portal, public domain, RSS, Smiley, server, smartphone, social media, social networking, spam unsolicited email advertisements, splog, spool, spyware, tablet computer, tag, tandem learning, text file, video conferencing. VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, Vodcast, Wireless Application Protocol, Website, Wi-Fi, Wiki, Wikipedia, World Wide Web Consortium, Zip Drive, Zip, Absolute Link.